안녕하세요. So we're now here at Mang Inasal. Sige natin. 안녕하세요. April, here. 안녕하세요. So we're going to Mang Inasal. Mga una sila. Okay, salud na mo. Kaya magkwanta. Now I am going to get our order here. Okay. Naanayin yung food ha. Pangaon na mo guys. They are choosing the Mang Inasal unlimited rice. And for me is unsa ganin ako sisig. Sisig. Okay. Continue. Happy eating. Happy eating everyone. And thank you for guys. Uy, busy lagi mo. Kamsahamnida for Kamsahamnida Bunin. Thank you so much for our lunch. Please receive your allowance. You're going to school? Are you ready with the last day of exam? Magtuon ka? Okay, then where's your multiplication? Gisuwat? Huwag ka ni eskwela gahapon. Where are you? Huwag ka ni ari gahapon. Ano? Ikaw niya hatod ako ha. Human naman kakagsulat. Huwag niya ayag kalimot. Iari yun niya hapon para makabalik na kainig ka Monday. Ha? Okay, go to school na. Bye. Oh, that is from Gegom Dory Team Jangin. Gegom Dory Team Jangin. Kamsahamnida. Bye. Wala, di man sa. We're going to Janika's mother. Visit to Janika's mother because today is Janika's mother's birthday on heaven. Where's your mama? Tara. Hala, ang musaka di ay nakalimot tag musaka. Tara, si mama niya. To Helen. Siya sa 4th floor.
Asa na ba?
To Helen Taneo.
Dry, May 17.
May 17, birthday niya today.
Wala the picture?
Huwag tong, no?
Dito mo ko na ito ang patay. Ay, sorry.
Okay na siya.
Ay, sorry po. Madlock si Kuya.
Idunol siya ni Kuya. Okay. Sa isulti mo si mong mama Janica.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday gang.
Tibing, bago ba ng job? Hindi ko ba ako? Basta pumatay guys. Sila na kayo yung kabihan.
7 years.
Nabukog lang. Tumulta ko. Bahog na na. Kim Young Sonim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida for the fruits for my mother. Kaon tama, mangga. Kaon ka?
Ini. Right. 감사합니다, 김윤수님. Bye-bye.
Monsignor, thank you very much to give the money to buy the Jollibee. Thank you very much. From Angelina.
Okay, division number 1. 27 divided by 1080. 27 divided by 1080. Number 2. 68 divided by 6,129. 68 divided by 6,129. Number 3. 15 divided by 4,215. 15 divided by 4,215. Number 4. 24 divided by 3,168. 24 divided by 3,168. Number 5. 43 divided by 1,333. 43 divided by 1,333. Number 6. 26 divided by 6,214. Excuse me. 26 divided by 6,214. Number 7. 35 divided by 1,715. 35 divided by 1,715. Number 8. 14 divided by 8,218. 14 divided by 4,218. Number 9. 41 divided by 665. 41 divided by 2,665. Number 10, last number. 37 divided by 5,550. 37 divided by 5,550. That's all. Start answering.
So students, so for tonight, you're going to answer the long division. So it is 8,296 divided by 17 for number 1. And for number 2 is 4,590 divided by 34. Okay, so start computing. Janap, you can use scratch paper for answering the division. How about you guys? So, pag scratch mo para maka-answer mo sa division, ha? Ikaw, Chloe. Okay. Are you ready for your answers? Please, hands up, or I mean to say, up ng inyong magnetic board. So, for number 1, what is the answer? Please raise. Okay, so the answer for number 1 is 488, and for number 2 is 135. Okay, sakto yung answer. Please, i-raise daw. Okay, very good. So, wala pa si Jelmis number 1. Continue answering. Very good, Alea. What is that? 138 na imo haday? 488. So, ang number 2 is 135. Okay? Sagdi lang. Fighting lang gihapon. So, how about the other? Sakto yung mga answers, guys. Okay, Janap. Unsa answers nimo number 1 dong? Ha? 488. Very good. Then, number 2 is? Okay, very good. Okay, so mag-practice gihapon tag long divisions ha para makatun ang bata. Fighting!
Fighting!
Okay, very good. Keep up the good work and practice more in division.